70-year-old engineer entrepreneur, having set up designing, manufacturing, and exporting units. I even represented the country for the first time in many international arenas. I was non-vegetarian. I was having occasional drinks and occasional get-togethers, and my professional life, my workload, my responsibilities made me work and non-stop, and at times make me sit around for long hours, and this used to happen regularly, and this used to slip. There was some slip up in my food eating timings and my food intakes, my type of food. This used to happen earlier. Way back, around 18 years back, I was feeling fatigue even after small walk and even while climbing stairs, and there was increase in my thirst level. So that immediately sent the alarm bells, and I approached my doctor friend who was already taking care of my diabetic mother. So he immediately checked my blood sugar, if it turned out to be very high, and he said, "You are no more a friend, you are also my patient now." So this is how I came to know about my blood sugar 18 years back. Inconsistent activities which disturbed my regular eating and health schedules. So that was my main challenges, how to balance the health schedule and my responsibilities. My main concern was my diabetic health, which was lacking. My blood sugar was out of control. My doctor had declared that it is brittle diabetes and you have to take a lot of care. So I decided I'll concentrate more on my diabetes and my work schedule and my eating way of life. I only then I realized, and I was determined. It was motivation from my inside, confidently. Yeah, I could do other things. I will definitely do this also. सबसे पहले तो इसका इतना क्लोज मॉनिटरिंग था कि मेरा जो हेल्थ कोच था वो मेरे रीडिंग जो मैं पोस्ट करता था और मैं अपनी डाइट के बारे में जो पोस्ट करता था वो उसकी एनालिसिस करके मेरे को गाइडेंस देता था, और जो दूसरा डिजिटल कोच था जो डायरी में डालता था वो इमीडिएटली मेरे को उसका रिवर्ट करता था कि भी ये ठीक किया या नहीं है, इसमें क्या गड़बड़ है, क्या इम्प्रूवमेंट करनी चाहिए। वो सब इमीडिएट मॉनिटरिंग होती थी मेरी, जो कहीं पे भी नहीं मिल सकती। हेल्थ कोच तो है ही, वो तो इमीडिएटली मॉनिटर करते हैं एनालिसिस करके। द नेक्स्ट इज डायरी। द मोमेंट यू लॉग इन योर ब्लड शुगर, इट गिव्स ए रिस्पॉन्स। देयर इज ए डिजिटल रिस्पॉन्स। कोच है, डिजिटल कोच है जो आपको इमीडिएटली बता देता है कि आपकी शुगर लेवल आपने ठीक डाली है या नहीं डाली, और अगर ज़्यादा है तो क्या करना चाहिए, और ठीक डाली है तो पिछली क्या थी और उसको ऐसे ही मेंटेन करना चाहिए। आपको पीछे क्या लिया था उसको ध्यान रख के आगे चलना चाहिए ताकि उसे मेंटेन कर सको। और मैं तो ये भी कहूँगा कि ये आपका जो ये ऐप है ये तो डायबिटीज का गूगल है, तो ताकि यू नेम इट एंड दे हैव इट, एंड विद रिफॉर्म्स आल्सो। कि अगर जैसे आप गूगल मैप में जाओ तो आपको कोई रास्ता नहीं ठीक है तो शॉर्टर रास्ता बता देता है। तो ये भी अगर आपने कोई गलत स्टेप लिया है तो उसका ऑल्टरनेटिव मेथड बता देगा इमीडिएटली, विच इज वंडरफुल। यूजर फ्रेंडली ऐप है आपका, और मेरे ख्याल आप कॉन्टिन्यूसली इम्प्रूवमेंट्स भी कर रहे हैं और भी फ्रेंडली बना रहे हैं। और जो इसके अंदर काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग फीचर्स हैं, जैसे मैगजीन है, उसमें इतनी अच्छी इंफॉर्मेशन मिल रही है जो आपको बड़ी मुश्किल से मिलती है, और बड़ा सिंपल है ऑपरेट करने में। आप कोशिश करो तो आप फटाफट करना शुरू कर दोगे। व्हाट इस ऐप को यूज़ करना कोई ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट नहीं है। Health coach has been very responsive and immediately guided me on any question posted. Within 10-15 minutes I used to get reply, sometimes even instantly, and options were given to me, and further they asked me what I did on those options, what was the response, and on the response they again came back to me, reverted me, and if any improvement had to be done, that was suggested to me. So it was wonderful. They always analyzed my readings and suggested things, and which is not available anywhere else. Health coach is always available. She goes out of the way and helps you out. This is the best part. Earlier it used to be very erratic. Despite my best efforts, because of some slip-ups in my schedules, it used to be somewhere between 8 to 9.5. Now I've come close to 8 only. It is on the lower side, 7.5 to 8.2. So this is what I achieved. I've become quite particular about my walking activity schedules. I go for my now 1.5 hour morning walk with the yoga and exercise and meditation, and again repeat it in the evening, so that I can have proper activity to my health. And about my food, I go for light foods, diabetic friendly. In fact, I get so much variety that I can satisfy my taste buds, and I feel very happy in getting the right choice, and without any ill effects of wrong food. There is a lot of variety, and I totally get satisfied with the options available. This is the changes I've made, and I've been able to do it successfully. If you sincerely manage your food habits, your activities, and your type of food you take, that will give you wonderful results. You don't have to get scared of the diabetes. In fact, once you manage your food, manage your calories, manage your activities, you will perform better than an average normal person. And you just have to stick to the advice of the app, or take the medicine regularly in time, and you'll just achieve it.